Hey guys, today we're working on a 2016 Audi S6. First things first, these little covers that go to here and here. This is a sedan. It's a plastic little thing like this. If you slide your little clip remover, there we go. There it goes. So if you try to take it out from here on this side or up here, you'll end up breaking these tabs. You have to take it off from here. There's these two little pin thingies that kind of hold it in place here. Pop these out from this side and it comes out like this. If you peel like this, you end up breaking these. Don't do that. It's the same for both sides. And then we got a T, looks like a T25. T25. It sits in here. Now this is how I take off the rear right tail light. We're going to take off the rear right tail light, we're going to take off the rear left tail light, and then we're going to take the bumper cover off. So there's the other T25. This bumper should, this tail light, like that, comes out very easy. And there's a plug clip right here. Push on it and it'll pop right out. And that's how the right rear tail light comes out. Very simple. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how to take off the rear left tail light, which is same as the right side. You get T225s. Here's one. And there's two. Make sure not to lose these screws. And then this guy becomes loose. Just wiggle it out, no problem. And then pull that guy out. Okay. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and hopefully make some more cool content. Thank you. All right, Corey.